The Russian aircraft carrier, Admiral Kuznetsov, is reportedly being equipped with a host of air defense systems and armed to the teeth to make it combat-ready. In February 2023, Admiral Kuznetsov, the sole aircraft carrier of the Russian military, departed from the 35th SRZ drydock near Murmansk on Russia's Arctic coast. It has been speculated that the aircraft carrier is scheduled to enter service sometime in 2024, for which preparations are in full swing. The aircraft carrier has undergone an elaborate overhaul for over 5 years. In the latest development that could finally see the carrier join combat service, Russian newspaper Izvestia has reported that the aircraft carrier is being made more combat capable by adding an array of state-of-the-art equipment. Citing some unnamed sources in the Russian Ministry of Defense, MOD, the recent report stated that the aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov would be armed with the latest Pantsir-M anti-aircraft missile and artillery systems. In addition, a new integrated air defense control system will be introduced on the ship. The integrated air defense control system will automatically recognize targets, separate them between anti-aircraft systems, and destroy them. The report highlighted that the new control system would be able to repel massive attacks on the ship, ranging from attacks by aircraft and helicopters to attacks by anti-ship missiles and drones. The previous Dirks are being replaced by Pantsir-M, which is believed to be the most sophisticated ship-based anti-aircraft defense system in the Russian inventory. The Pantsir-M arsenal comprises 8 missiles and 2 6-barreled 30mm rapid-fire automatic guns. It can hit targets while flying at heights between 1 meter and several tens of kilometers. The Russian aircraft carrier will operate MiG-29 and Su-33 fighters.